If you feel there is a sympathetic vibration in your soul, something within you is moving with Quran, is testifying that this is correct, this is the truth. Let me quote here a couplet of Urdu. देखना तकरीर की लज्जत के जो उसने कहा, मैंने ये जाना कि गोया यही मेरे दिल में है. You know, a harmony between our nature and Quran, harmony between our spirits and Quran. Because why? The source is the same. Quran is the word of Allah, and so is my soul, my spirit. Amrullah. Yasalunaka ani ruh, qul ruh min amri rabbi. This has come from Allah, not from this clay. My body, my animal being is from this clay, from the crust of the earth. But my spirit, that has come from Allah, directly from Allah. وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي, and I breathe into him from my own spirit. These are the words of the Quran, appearing twice in Surah Al-Hijr and Surah Al-Sad. وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. Now, if there is the harmony, if there is the sympathetic vibration within you, you know, I recall the poem Daffodils. The poet, you know, he suddenly, when he was just strolling in some valleys, from a mountain top, he saw, you know, a valley full of daffodils. And the flowers, you know, they were waving in the wind. And he says, now, I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the scene to me had brought. For oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon my inward eye, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Just as, you know, I saw the daffodils were dancing in that wind, in that valley, my heart also starts dancing and dances with the daffodils. That dance of the heart, along with the tune of the Quran, that is actually the strengthening of Iman. That you become sure, it becomes your own personal experience that Quran is true. It has come from the same source from where my own ruh has come, from where my own spirit has come. And this is actually the fourth now, this heart in which Allah is present. No shaitan can invade it.